Hi, I'm Jill, and today's vlog I'm going to talk about cards. So at the moment I'm sorting our house out, giving it a clean because it's the end of the year, and today was cleaning the cupboard out where we have all our games and puzzles. I'm in my swimmers because I have to clean things outside. It's very hot and that's the easiest way to do. Go in the pool, be cool and sort a bit, then go back in the pool to cool up. Anyway, back to the cards. We have a lot of cards. So cards is one of my favorite games to play. Played a lot when I was a kid. My dad played bridge. He was part of a bridge club and played bridge every Tuesday night. So he taught us a lot of card games, and every time we went on holiday we played cards. He taught us how to riffle shuffle. Let's see if we've got a pack of cards I can show you, which was always very cool to show my friends. So I've put my girls and they can do it too. So riffle shuffle is when you split the cards in half, if you can see this, and shuffle them together like, oh, didn't work very well. Okay, let's try that again. So split them in half. They have to be quite bent or flexible. And shuffle them together like that, and then that's better. My riffle shuffle. So yeah, so I played a lot of cards with the girls when they were younger. They play it now, not so much. So that's why we've got an awful lot of cards. They always take cards when they go on holiday with their friends. Cards are great. Like, just from that, there's so many games that you can play. You can play on your own, you can play with friends. I love cards. And cards has a lot of language in, a lot of idioms. So we say, if you play your cards right, something good will happen. Meaning, if you use all the opportunities you have, if you do things in the right way, things will go well for you. So I could say, like at the moment, I'm creating videos, I'm starting to try teaching online, and if I play my cards right, one day I'll have a successful YouTube channel and I'll be traveling the world making videos to teach English. That'll be my life. So if I do things the right way, if I play my cards right. What else do we say? We say he's a wild card. So if someone's a wild card, they're unpredictable. You never know what they're going to do. He's a bit of a wild card. We say, I've still got that card up my sleeve. So this is like literally, if I was wearing a long shirt, I could have my secret card up here, that when I needed it in my card game, I could slip it down and play it. So we use that as an idiom for real life. If you have something special that you haven't told anyone about yet, or you haven't used that in your business, but it's something that you're holding back, to use at an opportune moment. So I've still got one card up my sleeve. What else do we say? He's a few cards short of a deck. So a full set of cards, 52 cards with the jokers would be extra. This is a deck of cards. So if you say someone is a few cards short of a deck, it means they're missing a few cards. They're not quite a full deck. It means they're a little bit stupid. So if we're saying he's a bit of an idiot, he's a few cards short of a deck. So not quite 100% there. Yeah, cards, I love cards. Anymore, we've got to be dealt a bad hand. So when you play cards, you deal the cards out, and the cards that you get, this is your hand of cards. So we talk about being dealt a bad hand or a good hand when you talk about your life. So the situations you end up with, the good or bad fortune that you have, you can be dealt a good or bad hand in life. So there you go, lots of language around cards. Now my job is to sort these into full decks. Not sure how long this is going to take me. Fun job. But yeah, that's what I'm up to today. Thanks for watching. Bye!